Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Olivia El Paradila, and I would like to present my summary of language, dialect, and varieties. Okay, let's see the next slide. I would talk about language and varieties. So, language is both an individual communication system and a communal phenomenon. When two or more individuals interact with each other through speech, the system of communication that they use is referred to as a code. Okay, in most circumstances, such code will be what we might refer to as a language. Linguistic variations are the diverse types of language that are influenced by social influences. Language can differ from region to region, from one social class to another class, individual to individual, and situation to other situation. These actual changes result in the varieties of language. Okay, let's talk about the next one. Okay, I will talk about dialect, a variety of a language spoken by a group of people that is distinguished from other varieties of the same language by systematic features, such as phonological, lexical, grammatical. Okay, let's see the next one. Uh, so these are the types of dialect. So the first one is social dialects or sociolates. Linguistic differentiation based on a long-standing social isolation or separation. Social dialects emerge from social groupings and are influenced by a range of elements such as socioeconomic class, religion, and ethnicity. The way people talk is affected by factors such as occupation, place of residence, and education, income, racial or ethnic origin, cultural background, caste, and religion. So, the example is caste in India often determines which variety of the language a speaker uses. Okay, the second types is regional dialects. Linguistic distinction based on a membership in a geographically isolated or distinct group. Dialects defined by a geographical boundaries are quite diverse local varieties. For the example, various preserves political, social, cultural, and educational serve to harden current national boundaries to make the linguistic differences among states. Okay, the next one, I will talk about styles, registers, and genres. So the study of dialects is complicated further by the fact that speakers can adopt distinct speaking styles and registers, and both spoken and written language can be classified as belonging to a different genres of language. Hence, although dialect distinctions are due to speakers and their regional or social identities, differences in styles, registers, and genres are due to varied context of use. So the first one, let's talk about style. So when it comes to speaking style, you can be highly formal or very informal, right? So depending on the situation. Formal situation nearly always necessitate very formal speech, but public lectures are slightly less formal. Casual that is rather informal, and conversation between intimates or friends issues can be extremely informal or casual. Okay, the second one is register. In general, registers are collections of language items connected with certain occupational or social groupings. Speakers acquire multiple registers as a result of socialization in various cultural groupings within their culture. For most people, what we call legalists or personal advertisements are recognized registers. Hence, employing such registers either adheres to the standards for a certain socially situated style of using language, or it is a way of evoking this context of often associated with that register. Of course, one individual can handle multiple registers. You can be a stockbroker as well as an archaeologist or a mountain climber as well as an economist. A registry aids in the construction of an identity at a certain time or location. Okay, the last one is genre. So, register focuses more on the social situation and genre more on the text type. General like a register can serve a routinized vehicle for encoding and expressing a specific order of knowledge and experience, according to Bowman 2000. Even if we don't comprehend every word, we can all recognize the format of a receipt, a personal ad, a news story, or an infomercial. Okay, hence, while such modes of communication do necessitate some socialization, it is not necessarily socialization into a specific social or occupational group, but rather an acquired familiarity with certain norms of language use in a specific settings and for specific function. Okay, I think that's all for my summary. Thank you so much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this all are the sources I got from. Okay, thank you.